Welcome. Today, I'm going to show you how to remove the underline from links on your WordPress website quickly, easily, and without touching a single line of code. By the end of this tutorial, your website will have cleaner, more modern looking links. First, log into your WordPress account. You'll find the login option at the top right corner of your site. Click it and choose Continue with Google to sign in quickly and securely. Once logged in, you'll land on your WordPress dashboard. From here, look for the Quick Links section and select Edit Site. This will open the site editor where you can customize your website's design. Next, go to the top right corner and click on the Styles section. Inside, navigate to Typography, where you control the appearance of all text on your site. Scroll down to the Links option. This is where you manage how hyperlinks appear across your website. Within the link settings, you'll see a decoration option. Click it and you'll find multiple styling choices. To remove the underline, simply select None. This instantly removes any underlining from your links. Don't forget to save your changes. Once saved, you can preview your site and see your links looking sleek and clean without any underlines. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've customized your WordPress links for a modern, professional look. No coding required. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more quick WordPress tips.